Tips to maintain your 100% battery health. 1. Go to General and click on Background App Refresh. Click on the first option and select Off. 2. Click on Siri and search and turn off all suggestions from Apple. 3. Click on Privacy and Security and select Location Services. Scroll down to System Services and turn off location-based alerts and suggestions. Scroll down and turn off Product Improvement. 4. Go into Battery and select Battery Health. Turn on Optimus Charging. Go back and click on Low Power Mode. 5. Charge your phone when your battery is below 20%. 6. Click on Accessibility, Motion and turn on Reduce Motion. 7. Click on Display and Brightness and pick Dark Mode. 8. Click on Display and Brightness and select Auto Lock. Select 1 minute or any time you like. 9. Scroll down to Accessibility and click on Display and Text Size. Make sure Auto Brightness is on.